In this video, we explain what is HTML. HTML is developed in 1990 by MIT professor. So you can say we have different versions of HTML, 2, 3, 4, 5. Currently, we use HTML5. Here we have a developed schedule for HTML. On the top, we have markup. On the bottom, we have style. Markup means how we use HTML to present information. Style just concerns how we style the information. Then what is HTML? It said it's a language to present information. If we compare textbook with web page, for textbook, we read information from pages to pages, from lines to lines. But if we look information on website, such as Mansfield, how we get information? We use link, right? We have different manual. In different manual, we can get the different information we want. So we organize information in different way. It means that if we look something special, we don't need to look at the whole. Like say, if we look information from a book, we didn't look for the catalog. But for HTML, we much easier to organize our information. So that's the differences between textbook and HTML. Here we have a map of the internet. It's from 2005. You can see we have huge connections. It's around the world. That's why, because we can use HTML to present information efficiently. That's why internet is so popular. Then what means HTML? H means hyper. HTML means hypertext markup language. What means hyper? So if we look at a textbook, we have line to line. But hypertext is we have link is different, right? If you look at the web page, we don't only have the text, it's a hypertext. Even though the image, you can say we have image here, but with the image we have a link. So hypertext means we organize information. The information are connected with each other. For example, like say we want to know the cost. You can say from this text, we go to other text is about the tuition fee. So that is why we call it as a hypertext. It's slow, so I don't show here. Then what is HTML5? You can watch the video from YouTube. I don't play it here. Then how HTML code looks like? Let's go to Mansfield. So here we have a web page. If we click the right button of the mouse, we have this menu and choose View Page Source. You can see pretty much this is how the HTML code looks like. In this master, we will go through all the code. We'll learn how to code, how to run the code to get the web page. Then today we'll hear about other tools. So can we create website without HTML? No, we cannot do that. Even some tools, like say you may hear about the Dreamweaver or the front page, but all those are based on HTML. So that's why we focus on the code of HTML in this class. What do we need? We need a browser. We can use IE or Firefox or Chrome or Safari. Also, we need the editor because we need to write the code. You can use the Notepad from Windows. Like say here we have Notepad, or if you use Mac computer, you need to use text editor. In this class, mostly we use Notepad++. It's a powerful tool. Then how about other programs? Do we need to use FrontPage or Dreamweaver? Those tools can help you to easily do the coding. However, they are hiding something from you, so we don't need to use them. Do we need to go online? No. We write the code and we run on our own computer. You may hear about the HTML, CSS, JavaScript. What's the difference? For HTML, we're concerned about the content. For example, we have a web page. It's about a tuition. It's about like a application. It's about something else. That means content. And then CSS is about presentation. Like say, what's the color? What's the size? What's the layout? So that is handled by CSS. And JavaScript is about behavior. For example, if we go to eBay, you want to buy something, then like say you put the order, then the website need to respond to your behavior. So that is about JavaScript. We don't talk about JavaScript in this class, but you can learn JavaScript from other advanced class. Then we can run HTML code from Notepad or Notepad++ or TextEdit. If you use Mac computer, you can download Notepad++ from this address. It's free. I will demonstrate it later. So in the next example, I will demonstrate how to use Notepad++ create the first web page.